Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to contact Condor Airlines customer service. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch a Condor Airlines web account, which of course I have done right here. So how do you create an account on Condor? Pretty simple. Launch in a browser of your choice and locate the search bar. In the search bar of your browser, type condor.com. That's going to take you to the official website for Condor. Once again, to the official website, check the top right corner of the website. You're going to find the My Condor tab. Click on that and follow through the on-screen prompt to sign up. After creating your account successfully, it's going to take you right into this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time in Condor. So now that we're here, let's quickly hop into today's task, which is how to contact the Condor Airlines customer service. So from your homepage, I'd like you to head over to customer support, which is at the top right corner of your screen. So click on the customer support tab. And that's going to take you to the next window where you can now contact the support system for Condor Airlines. Right, so here you go. You have this help section where you can search FAQs, frequently asked questions, and here are some questions to help you with. So do you want to get information on how to manage your booking, travel advice, flights, baggage, my condo seats, extra customer service? So just scroll the way down. But then these are the direct contacts, right? So this is condo contact USA and Canada. This is the number that you can call, or you can even scan this code to reach them, and you can contact them on WhatsApp. So this is the number that you can use to contact Condor via WhatsApp. And you have the next, which is the contact form. So let's say you don't want to call them directly, or you don't want to reach out to them on WhatsApp. So you can go ahead and click on the contact form. So once you click on the contact form, it says here, you can find out how to contact us if you have any feedback on your flight and bookings, and we'll be glad to assist you. So here, what would you like us to do? So go ahead and click on make a general complaint or claim. And after that, you have a wide variety of categories that you can fill out. All right, so you have, this is a form, so just go ahead and fill out each of the boxes and make your complaints known, or whatever thing that you have, whatever feedback that you have, go ahead and make it known. Don't forget to click on I'm not a robot checkbox and click on submit form. So this is pretty much how you can contact Condor Airlines customer service. Now I can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped your search.